Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we have a very special guest. Yes, none other than my sister. Kasi birthday niya ngayon guys, and pupunta kami ng restaurant para mag-lunch, and then siguro sabi ko tatanungin ko siya ng couple of questions to commemorate her birthday. So mga anek-anek na questions lang. So meron tayo din yung isang mic, so lalagay natin to sa kanya. Pupunta kami sa Mama Lors, our favorite Filipino restaurant. So guys, if pupunta kayo ng Sydney and na-miss nyo yung Pinoy food and mga anek-anek ng mga Pinoy products, meron dun sa Rooty Hill. So we're gonna go now. Transition. Hi guys! So we're here sa Rooty Hill. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Dito yung mga Pinoy something. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Mama Lors. So kami magla-lunch. So ang galing, naiwan ko yung phone. Porket may action camera na. Inindyan na yung cellphone. Kala ko nasa bulsa ko. So, andito tayo guys with our very special guest na lagi niyo na din naman nakikita sa vlog ko with my very beautiful, very smart sister, Christine K. Sena! Yay! Palakpak! Okay, so guys, birthday niya today and may mga questions lang tayong itatanong tapos malamang sasagutin niya, and then eto na yung first question ko. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Hi guys, what's up? So, nakauwi na nga kami sa bahay. Dito na with our Christmas tree na isang buwan naming hinintay. And we have our very own guest tonight. We have Christine K. Sena and Cloud Sen. Wala siyang second name. Kasi tinabad na yung parents mag-isip. Anyway, guys, kasi birthday ni Ate King ngayon. So, I have a couple of questions here. Kunwari, nasa papel, pero nasa phone. Actually, ginawa na namin to kanina, pero hindi pala naka-connect yung isang mic. Kaya ulitin na lang namin ngayon. Ay, wala nang aberya-aberya. Tara na, simulan na natin. So, English to, kasi sinerch ko lang online. First question. What's the best birthday gift you've ever received?
Oh my God. It's
kahit hindi lugod masabi ko. Kahit hindi tuloy birthday gift, like gift lang.
best gift is my firstborn, si Rain.
Sige na nga, number one blessing.
Yeah. Kasi kung hindi dahil kay Rain, we wouldn't be here. None of this exists.
So, siya yung nag-trigger para mag-ano sila sa life. And then for my second question, if you could spend your birthday anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Sa Norway.
Norway. Di pa kayo nakapuntang Norway?
Hindi pa. So gusto kong makita yung Northern Lights.
Yeah.
So pretty. Sabi nila may Southern Lights dito sa Australia.
Yeah.
So okay lang din kung Southern. Basta yung ibang langit. Yung gano'n.
Parang last time meron dito, kaso hindi kasi kami guys lumalabas na paggabi. So, hindi namin nakita.
It's okay.
So this is the second gift, winter. Okay, so my third question is, what's your favorite way to celebrate your birthday?
My favorite is stay at home.
Yeah.
Watch a movie. A very good movie. Then Coke na may ice.
Yes, very, very madaming ice.
Tapos chichirya.
Yes, chichirya.
Yun lang.
Yun
Very
lang.
simple.
Yeah, very simple. Pero actually, guys, everyday din namin yun. So, nothing special, kumbaga. If you could have any superpower for your birthday, what would it be?
Superpower.
What if, dahil sabi mo, overthinker ka,
Travel.
time travel. So, past or future?
Future.
Future.
Pero wala nang thrill pag alam mo
Oo.
yung future. But I would still choose to have that power.
Tsaka, mas lalo ka mapaparanoid pag alam mo yung future. That's our commercial. What song would be the theme for your birthday party? Kung meron kang party, parang ano na lang tuloy yung theme niya.
Apatapati, apatapati, apatapati.
Ari kami dyan this past few weeks.
Yung masaya lang, wala
Yeah,
na
chill.
masyadong drama.
Oo nga no, parang same sa song. Yung song is, wala lang. Laro-laro lang. Ganyan. Next is, if you could invite any celebrity to your birthday party, who would it be? Siyempre, parang alam ko na to.
Siyempre si Britney
Yes,
Spears.
guys. Kung di nyo alam, si Ate Kay nag-introduce talaga sa amin kay Britney Spears.
Yes.
Nung mga bata pa kami. Parang grade 1 ata ako nun. Tapos na papatugtog siya ng
Baby One More
Baby
Time.
One More Time, Oops, I Did It Again, Crazy. Basta lahat. Tapos yung kwarto niya, grabe, puno yun ng poster. As in, yung isang wall niya, poster lahat may Britney. What's one goal you want to achieve before your next birthday? Oh, eto na yon. Kasi guys, may mga goal na siya in mind, pero dapat magawa niya to before mag-birthday siya ulit.
Makapasa sa driver's license.
Okay, driver's license.
Masecure ko yung budget namin for the whole year, next year, para wala na akong iisipin. Ayan na naman tayo sa budget. I'm close to that. Tapos, ma-finalize ko yung contract sa client ko. Para
Okay.
tuloy-tuloy ang bola.
Yes. So, yung tatlo, driver's license, budget, and then contract ng client. So, yes.
Very achievable naman siya.
Oo.
Very specific.
Yes. What's a lesson you learned in the past year that made you grow? Wow, it's so deep, guys. Made you grow. Dapat yung recent lang na napagdaanan mo.
In terms of parenthood, natutunan ko na yung parents natin, mahay pa. Kung go mo na lang kung meron silang pagkukulang sa'yo in the past. Those were different circumstances. Tapos they did everything they can naman.
Oo.
Para alagaan nila tayo, palakihin. Parang wag na lang mag-ganyan. Bakit ganyan? Kasi there's nothing you can do. It's in the past. It made you tougher. Depende na lang talaga kung paano ka magre-react. As a parent today, na-realize ko na no matter how beautifully you paint the future of your kids, if meron silang sariling gusto, sariling direction, our only job is to accept and love them and support them.
Support is very, very
So, ang
important.
pinaka natutunan ko is hindi mo pag-aari ang buhay ng mga anak mo.
Yeah.
You're just there, pinagkatiwalaan ka lang ni God to guide them. But your main job is just to love them and accept them and support them. Yun ang
Yes.
pinaka
Guide talaga.
learning ko.
Oo. Actually, yeah. Kasi yun din yung recent na napagdaanan namin as a family. As a family. If you could relive one moment from the past year, what would it be? Kung may babalikan ka, any point in your life, ano yun? Oo.
Gusto kong balikan yung kasal namin ni Jaja. Pero bongga na siya dapat.
Bongga.
Hindi na siya putyo-putyo.
Hindi. Yung question is, i-relive mo lang siya. Hindi mo siya
i-relive.
babaguhin. Yeah. Okay.
Alam mo, sa sobrang futuristic ko, I don't care about the past. Hindi ako masyadong lumilingon sa past. Ayoko naman i-relive yung panganganak ko sa kanila kasi ang hirap-hirap nun, di ba? Travel na lang namin sa Europe.
Nina Rain.
Yeah. Sa Switzerland,
Saan yung mga na-travel nyo na?
Japan, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, of course, na kami nakatira. Paris, Belgium, London, Switzerland, Germany, China, Korea, Taiwan.
Wow, that's 13 countries, guys. So,
Pero nag-stop na kami mag-travel nung COVID.
okay, this is the last question, guys. What's one thing you're most grateful for right now?
Salamat sa Diyos sa family ko. Kung nandito tayo ngayon sa Australia, not a lot of people know kung ano yung journey namin, na pinagdaanan namin just to be here today. Tapos yung intact pa rin yung relationship namin mag-asawa, mga anak ko. For me, that's very important.
Yeah.
Okay kami everyday. I mean,
Walang mga
masyadong
drama,
tsaka issue.
Okay, so, yun lang guys, yung questions natin. That's 10 questions. And ito is yung parang fast talk ni Tito Boy. So, syempre, dapat may ganun tayo. Mabilis ang sagot lamang. Okay, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Of course. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Movies or TV shows?
Movies.
Sweet or savory snacks?
Savory snacks.
Beach vacation or mountain retreat?
Beach.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Reading a book or listening to music?
Listening to music.
Night owl or early bird?
Early bird.
Indoor activities or outdoor adventures?
Outdoor adventures.
Yes. Tea. Dagger.
Juice or water daw.
Hot weather or cold weather?
Cold.
City life or countryside living?
Countryside
Wow.
living.
Dati city. Pizza or burgers?
Burgers.
Watching sports or playing sports?
Playing sports.
Phone call or text message?
Text. Panglalaon.
Okay, this is the last one. Comedy movies or action movies?
Action movies.
Ayun lamang. Hindi ko na sabihin yung ano, toot or chocolate. Siyempre, andito yung mga bata. Anyway, maraming salamat na ginagano ni Tito Boy yung ano. Yes! Juice! So, maraming salamat guys. Ito lamang ang aming simple interview. Yes? Cookies. So, gusto din niya magpa-fast talk, guys. So cute, a win-win. Anyway, yun lang. And maraming salamat sa aking kapatid na nag-guest sa aking vlog. And I think, siguro sa sunod, mga advices naman from, as someone na, very last question. How does it feel to be 39 years old now?
Well, minsan, parang, I wish bata pa ako kasi gusto... Water. Oh my God, matatapos kaya tong vlog na to? Well, minsan, I wish na sana medyo bata-bata pa ako para marami pa akong opportunities. Yung drive ko nung bata ako kasi iba sa drive ko today. So, I just think that I can still do more. Pero, on the other hand, okay lang din naman maging 39 kasi you acquired wealth of experience.
Yeah.
Na talagang parang minsan sa dami ng pinagdaanan mo, minsan madali na lang yung ibang part ng buhay. Then, syempre, the gift of wisdom is there. Pwede kang mag-advise sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga kakilala mo. Yun. Masaya din mag-look back nung bata ka kung ano yung mga na-accomplish mo. Pero medyo scary tumanda.
Oo naman.
Kasi syempre, pagka nag-i-age ka, yung employable age mo nag-decline. Aminin na natin, ang daming may age limit sa work, sa immigration. Yun ang mga disadvantage niya. Tapos kung hindi ka maalaga sa skin mo, magkukulubot na yan. Kung hindi ka nag-gym, magkakasakit ka. So, ito yung time na magfo-focus ka na sa health mo.
Yes. As someone na pa-30 na din, parang kahit pa-30s, parang dito yung nagsistart yung journey mo as a adult talaga. Kasi parang yung mga 20 something, hanggang 27, okay ka pa eh. Pero pag lumampas ka na, 24 nga, pag lumampas ka na ng 24, wala na. As in, masakit na likod mo, may mga anik-anik ka na. So yeah, health talaga.
Kailangan mo na ng probiotics, yung mga ganyan. Sabi nga nila, pag nag-enter ka na ng 40s, dun mo malalaman kung paano mo inalagaan yung sarili mo in the past 10 years. Not just physically, but mentally as well. Mind is very important. Kasi you cannot achieve your goal if yung isip mo at saka yung katawan mo hindi synchronize. Magkakaalaman na.
I think that's it, guys. And yeah, we're gonna see you next time. Okay? Bye! Wait, say bye! Bye! Ay, salamat.
Tapos,
Nakasurvive.
ang